Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a branding strategy with Branding Strategy Insider, complete guide step by step clearly. To create a branding strategy using Branding Strategy Insider, begin by defining your brand's purpose. Identify your brand's mission and vision. Consider what you want your brand to achieve in the long term. Next, conduct thorough market research. Analyze your target audience to understand their needs and preferences. Study your competitors to identify gaps and opportunities in the market. Once you have your research, develop a unique selling proposition. This will differentiate your brand from others in your industry. Now, craft your brand's core values. These values should reflect what your brand stands for and guide its decisions. Next, create a brand personality. Determine how you want your brand to be perceived, whether it's professional, friendly, or innovative. After defining your brand's attributes, work on visual identity. Design a logo that encapsulates your brand essence. Choose a color palette that resonates with your target. Develop typography guidelines that maintain consistency across all platforms. Now, formulate your brand messaging. Create a tagline that succinctly communicates your brand's essence. Draft key messages that will be used across various marketing channels. Integrate your branding elements into all customer touchpoints. Ensure your website, social media, and promotional materials reflect your brand identity. Next, create a comprehensive branding guide. This document should outline your brand's mission, values, visual identity, and messaging strategy. Use this guide to maintain consistency as your brand grows. Finally, regularly evaluate and adjust your branding strategy. Monitor market trends and consumer feedback to stay relevant. Be willing to evolve your brand as necessary to meet changing demands. By following these steps, you'll establish a strong branding strategy that resonates with your target audience. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.